It's the perfect day to have my house re-shingled. Guys have been working hard. They've got shingles off the main front side of the house and now are taking the shingles off this dormer and getting ready to install the new shingles. Put these tarps down and doing just a great job of getting this house re-shingled quickly. So the roof is being torn off, the old shingles, and they're going to re-shingle this side of the house today and put on the new shingles on the other side of the house tomorrow. So in only about an hour and a half, they got this much done. Do an incredible job. And now they're putting on the new drip edge. So here's the new drip edge being installed. And they're still removing a few more shingles off in that part of the house. And all the roof shingles are off on this side of the house. Just the ice and water shield that's left over from the original install. Removing any loose nails that are still intact there. And that old satellite dish antenna that was with the house is now gone. Okay, they already have the first several rows of shingles on. They've got felt paper on, and they put ice and water shield for it looks like the bottom 6 feet. So you can see there's two courses or 2 rows of brace ice water shield, about 6 feet of coverage from the eaves, and then they'll put felt paper above that. There's the first few courses of shingles. They used ice and water shield underneath that. So day 2 of the shingles, most of the front of the house is done, and they're working on the back today, and they'll get the detached garage as well.